Snow White sings in the morning light, Cinderella dances through the night, Aurora dreams in colors so bright, magic lives in every sight. Ariel swims in oceans blue, Belle reads stories old and new, Jasmine flies where skies are true, chasing freedom just like you. Oh, princess dreams, shining bright, oh, guiding hearts with courage and light, oh, from every land their stories say, believe in hope and find your way. Merida lets her true heart show. Moana sails across the sea. Raya fights for unity. Oh, princess dreams, shining bright, oh, guiding hearts with courage and light, oh, from every land their stories say. Brave and strong, they light the flame. Every girl can rise and be a princess in her destiny. So sing it loud, let your heart say your story starts tonight. Oh, princess dreams, shining bright, oh, guiding hearts with courage and light, from their stories say, believe in hope and find your way, and find your way. And find your way. Ooh, oh. The snow falls down, the night is calling, a silent queen, but she is breaking. Every step, the fear is growing, a storm inside she can't control. No more hiding, no more chains, no more living in the shame. Hear the wind, it screams her name. Tonight she won't hold back again. Let it rise, let it shine, feel the power come alive. No more fear left to hide, I won't run this time. Break the ice deep inside, watch the darkness turn to light. I'm not scared anymore, this is who I am tonight. Through the storm, a voice is calling, Anna's heart is never fading. Through the cold, she keeps on fighting.